Welcome to Introduction to Programming at CCTB, Canadian College of Technology and Business. We're excited to have you join this course, designed to introduce you to Python programming and modern software development techniques. This course is perfect for anyone looking to learn Python, whether you're an aspiring programmer, a data enthusiast, or a professional looking to expand your technical skills. It's also ideal for team leaders, project managers, and product managers who want to better understand programming processes. During this course, you will gain hands-on experience through practical labs, exercises, quizzes, and real-life programming challenges. You'll learn the universal concepts of programming, the syntax and semantics of Python, and how to design, develop, test, and debug Python programs. You'll also explore the most important elements of the Python standard library and learn to set up and use your Python runtime environment confidently. An important part of this course is the weekly assignments. Each week, you will be required to complete your tasks and submit them before the corresponding due date. These assignments are designed to reinforce your learning, give you practical experience, and prepare you to tackle real-world programming problems. Staying on top of your assignments is essential to succeed in this course. By the end of Introduction to Programming, you will have built a strong foundation in Python programming and gained practical skills for further studies or entry-level roles in software development, data analysis, testing, or cybersecurity programs and courses. We're thrilled to have you on this learning journey. Let's dive into Python and start building your programming skills today. Remember, consistent practice and completing your weekly assignments are key to mastering Python. Welcome again, and let's get started.